Hi, I'm Fallon Pitts, and welcome to MBA Now. Today's guest is Marina Walsh, MBA's Vice President of Industry Analysis, who is here to discuss the upcoming HELOC and Home Equity Workshop happening on September 1st. Marina, thanks for joining us.
It is wonderful to be here, Fallon. Thanks for having me.
So can you give us an overview on the workshop and what attendees can expect?
Absolutely. I mean, the reason we're having it is we've had a tremendous 15-year run-up in home equity accumulation. We're sitting right now at about $34 trillion in home equity. There are homeowners that have paid off their homes in full, yet may need to tap some of that equity for liquidity purposes. Or we have those that have just accumulated home equity over time and could use that additional liquidity for any of a number of reasons: debt consolidation, home renovations, and so forth. So there are a lot of reasons to have the workshop. There are a lot of different products out there, and we have tremendous speakers who have volunteered to come in to make this workshop a success.
And more specifically, what are the top line agenda items that will be discussed in the workshop?
Absolutely. We're going to cover everything soup to nuts. So when you think about the origination and servicing of a HELOC or a home equity loan, we're going to talk market landscape, product design. There are a lot of different products out there. We're going to talk about sales strategies. Definitely hit on servicing of home equity loans too. Technology issues of originating and servicing home equity products, as well as regulatory and compliance concerns. So it is a full agenda for sure.
It definitely sounds like a full agenda. So for my final question, why should mortgage professionals attend this workshop?
There's going to be tremendous networking opportunities, meet with peers, meet with vendors who might be providing services that could be of help to lenders and servicers. We're going to have small group discussions. It's not a huge conference. It's at MBA headquarters, so if you want to see MBA headquarters, you can. But it's a workshop, so hands-on workshop, a lot of participation, small group discussions, great networking and educational opportunities.
It definitely sounds like it's going to be a fantastic workshop. And Marina, thanks for stopping by today.
Thanks, Fallon.
And for more information on this workshop, please visit our conference and education page on MBA's website.